Something's in my eye. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Okay, what's up, you guys? My name is Jency V. We are gonna do another few makeup tutorials for Halloween for kids or adults. I have few requests from the mothers out there what to do for the makeup for their kids. We're gonna be focusing on doing our makeup from down here and up. Okay, so this is gonna be very simple, this is gonna be fast, and this is a very last minute makeup. And I'm gonna try to make it easy on you guys so you can go and do your makeup step by step with me. Go along with me. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some spider web on our eyes. So it's gonna look like we have long lashes, but they're spider webs. Let's do this. Where's my mirror? Okay, grab some black. That's where my middle is. You don't have to be perfect. Can you imagine my lashes are this long? Let's start from here. At the very end of your first line, you go up, you kind of like go like this, like a U shape. You see that? And then you're gonna do the next one. So this next part is you're gonna be kind of like skipping lines, okay? So I'm gonna put one right here, and from the middle of those two lines, that's where I'm gonna put that U shape. There you go. Skip this line and you're kind of aligning this line to the next line. I'll go in between those two lines, and then for the next one right here, I'm gonna go down. So you don't wanna have to connect two lines, okay, together. You kind of want to skip around. Okay, so basically that's all you have to do. If you want to go a little extra, we're gonna be doing some shadowing to your spider web. We're gonna be getting white paint now, and we're gonna be using a different brush as well. Way thinner brush. Hello. So I'm gonna mix black and white together to make gray. So you can stop on this process if this is too much for you, but if you want to do a little bit extra, you can do this next step I'm doing. So we're gonna put the gray just right on the right side of the web, okay? So just that line, just basically right there, and you're doing that onto just the line going up and down. And the very top of the web, I'm only doing the left side of it, and I stop right in the middle. So I did both sides. This was really easy. Just make lines and shadow. You don't have to shadow if you don't want to. It was just an extra It was an extra step you can do. It kind of gives that little spice of the look, you know? Alright, so the next look I'm gonna be doing is the tiger look. And I'm gonna try to make this as easy as it can be, because it is easy. So just follow my steps and we can do this together. So the 3 colors we're gonna need is black, white, and orange. Get your thin small brush because we're gonna be doing a really thin lines and really precise lines. We're gonna do like kind of like an S. We're gonna end right here, okay? So we're gonna start from here and just do this. Most important thing is that you're not touching the lines, okay? We're gonna do kind of like a little flick. We always want to outline first so you can kind of retouch at the very end. You know where your color is gonna be at and where you're gonna place everything else, okay? So now we're gonna do the ones at the bottom. Okay, starting from here. So we got our outline done. Now we're gonna put our colors in. Let's start with white. So we're gonna cover this area, this whole area right here. You kind of want to put a second coat because you don't want to show your brows. I highly recommend adding oil onto your body makeup or body paint just cause you start to dry up, and then like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't move my face. You still want to be able to move your face, you know, so you kind of just want to add a little bit of oil. Now grab your orange because that's the next one. You kind of just want to fill in the orange. So if you want a thicker color, you always kind of just want to do a second coat so your color will be a little bit brighter. It's up to you, it's optional. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our black, and like I said, we're gonna kind of retouch on our black lines, and we're gonna make it a little bit thicker, thin. Yeah, like at the very end it's thinner, but it's still pointy. So everything's gonna be pointy, but the very top is gonna be a little bit thicker, okay? This is like thick and then thin. Now we're gonna make these lines thicker, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna make the ends thin, but the middle thick. This is a tiger look, and so this is what it looks like. Okay, now let's go on to the next look. So our next look is gonna be a military look. So we're gonna focus on the colors green, white, black, and brown. You can use any eyeshadow palette or paint. Alright, so we're gonna start with light color, which is white, and we're gonna mix that with the green, and you kind of want to just make like a light green color. You want to make it really, you want to add a lot of white onto that, kind of like H like this, and then you're gonna curve it out. You don't want just like a line like that. You kind of want to just curve it. And we're only gonna do this side of the face. You can do big eyes, small eye, as long as you curve it, okay? Curve the middle line. we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna mix the white and the green, but we're gonna make it a little bit darker than the last one, just a tad darker. So before you start putting it on your face, you can put it on your hand, just like this, what I'm doing right now, to see if it's a little bit darker. Only a tad, not too dark. Now I'm gonna use the green, the actual forest green. Now let's go into the next one. Alright guys, so our next look is gonna be a clown, but only right here. So you can't even tell if it's a clown or not, but okay, so the colors that we're gonna be focusing on is the black, the white, and blue. We're gonna start with mixing your blue and your white together. We're gonna do sky blue, and so for a clown look, we're gonna extend all the way to your brows, and we're gonna extend a little bit at the end, making it round like that. Now grab another brush for your white paint. We're gonna extend it a little bit higher right here, and we're gonna extend it all the way up. Now get a really thin brush because you want to do the lashes, and we're gonna draw some brows. Nothing too fancy, just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. This is very last minute. And then you want to draw like little lashes. Kind of want to exaggerate it. Just make little lashes down below, and then kind of draw a little eyeliner. You don't have to do this extra step if you don't want to. We're gonna put white on top of the black lashes, and I'm also gonna put it on top of the eyeliner right here. Because if you didn't have the mask on, you can put your red nose right here and everything else, but we're only doing the top part. Alright guys, so I just finished my last look. I hope you guys like those 4 looks that I did for you guys. This is a perfect look for your kids. All these looks can be perfect for the girls and the boys. I hope that actually helped you guys step by step. I tried my best to make it step by step for you guys. So if you like this video, smash that like button down below, and of course subscribe to my channel and support my channel. And to get notified for my next upcoming videos, just click that notification down below. Without further ado, just be safe out there, you guys, and happy Halloween.